Hello, welcome to the StellaLife Innovator Series. I'm Liz Landry, and today I'm so happy to be talking to Dr. Tahar Dhoon. So, Dr. Dhoon is trained in all aspects of dentistry, general dentistry, sleep, ortho, surgical, full mouth rehabs, and more. He's the co-founder of the Colorado Surgical Institute, a live patient training center in northern Colorado, and his life mission is to pay it forward and educate. Dr. Dhoon also teaches the business of dentistry with the Dental Success Institute and has authored a book on startups and acquisitions called The Practice Launchpad. Welcome, Dr. Dhoon. I'm so happy to talk to you today.
Yeah, it's absolutely my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
I wanted to have you tell us more about the Colorado Surgical Institute and the procedures you teach and what new courses you're developing.
Yeah, so at Colorado Surgical, first and foremost, we are a live patient training facility. So the attendees or the doctors who want to actually get hands-on experience can come and do that here in Colorado. And because I've been treatment planning these cases for so long in the patient base up in Greeley, Colorado, we have just this Rolodex of patients who are just waiting. And it's just an access to care thing. Patients need this type of service. And I've just been put in a position and been blessed to be able to offer this to other dentists to get their training. So in terms of the procedures and things that we do offer, it's we can start as low as, hey, we're going to just do a single implant. And the course we just ran last weekend was, I think we had 5 or 6 dentists who placed their first implant ever. And it was great. It was amazing to give them that opportunity to do something that they were scared to do, and then see them at the end of the course have the confidence to say, you know what, on Monday I could do this. I can totally do this going back at the practice. And then we do wisdom teeth, and we can do IV sedation as well. And then I'd consider those three subsets as kind of like our intro, beginner, moderate. And the reason why I kind of leave it a little bit subjective is we'll do an intro phone call with any dentist and find out their skill level. So some dentists are already placing implants. Well, they want to do some vertical sinus lifts. Well, we'll set up patients who have more advanced type of single implant placements, or they want to do immediate implants. So we have picked patients who have a tooth that needs to come out and then the immediate implant placement and the grafting. So it's very catered and customized to what the dentist skill level is and what they're looking for specifically. Then after that, we get into lateral sinus grafting, block grafting, and GBR, the horizontal ridge augmentations. And then we go into full arch dentistry. So, edentulating, placing 4 to 6 implants. We do the whole digital photogrammetry, digital workflow, 3D printers, all the shebang, and we get patients delivered teeth that same day, if not next day. And it's a really cool experience for those doctors to come in and then take the skill sets from level one and apply to level two and three, because everything is just levels. We just take everything we've learned over the years and stack it on top of each other to then do these more kind of multidisciplinary approaches. So that's kind of what we do in Colorado. But another cool thing I'm really happy that we're announcing is we're able to do overdentures. We're able to have people sign up for zirconia implants if they want to get more of those anterior cosmetic cases and get a better emergence profiles and cosmetics and high gummy smile patients. And we also have a dental assistant training program. So the dental assistants can come in and learn how to do phlebotomy, place IVs, prep the sticky bone. We have a program for hygienists where they can come in and actually get hands-on experience with patients who have implants placed and get access to different technology and equipment on that end. And to finalize everything, I know that there's a lot of different courses we are running, but we have the ability to train dentists who are done with full arch and really proficient there, and they want to get into remote anchorage. We can go to Brazil. We have a course in Brazil where we can do zygomas, pterygoids, transnasals, just really advanced buccal fat pads, all the more advanced techniques. We'll go out to Brazil for a week, and it's a really, really fun experience.
That's amazing. I love how what you're doing is so customized and you're unique because I haven't heard of many programs that are also training the assistants and the hygienists. And as a hygienist myself, and I also do hands-on training with hygienists with the maintenance of implants. That's so important. And I think we need more of these resources. So, I think that's really a fantastic program. And, would love to see more about that and hear more about that myself. So that's great. And then, yeah, the courses in other places are always great to go as well. And, just really focus in a different environment too. But it sounds like you developed these great relationships with these doctors. you know?
It's like the light of my life. It's giving younger docs, and they don't have to be younger. We train, older docs than myself too. It's just kind of chronologically where they are in their skill level
Yeah.
to do things that they've always wanted to do. And I'm glad you said that about the hygiene program because I tell patients every single day in these consults, like I can do a surgery all day long. It's the maintenance that's going to get you the long-term care. And I really, really stress that point to them because I need to see these patients routinely, or it's a slippery slope. And then we're in repair mode and we're chasing our tail. So if we can just do a surgery and give the patients the tools they need to, maintain this arguably for decades, it's a win-win-win across the board.
Oh, absolutely. And then everybody's confident with what they're doing as well. Because as far as like implant maintenance, there are controversies about, what to do, what not to do. And there's some great resources out there, but just having a protocol in place, I think that's really excellent. So you mentioned like working with associates. So what do you do with advanced associates as far as how you train them and place them in the right practice so they can grow? Tell us about that program.
Yeah, so one of the things I've learned over the years, unfortunately from doing this incorrectly myself as an owner, is bringing on an associate who either I wasn't ready for them, or they weren't ready for what my expectations were, or their skill set didn't match like the patient needs. And it's tough. It's tough to like have someone make the transition out, to move, to get settled into the system, just to find out in a year that, it's not a good fit. And so what the hope of Advanced Associates is going to be, at least the vision of this program, is I get to spend hands-on time with, 12 to 24 doctors a year. And we're going to really cap it so it can be intentional and customizable and a very personal type of approach where they get to train with me. We do Zoom calls. I'll do Zoom calls with the owner doctors, and I'll find out, hey, these 10 docs are really good at surgery and they also are good at restorative dentistry. And then these 10 docs are really good at endodontics and exodontia and maybe cosmetics and maybe sedation. But we basically create like a resume for the doctor. We document their cases and we help them with their treatment planning and how they just kind of like look at the cases in a different way. So essentially, we know associates when we bring on board when they're kind of new or brand new out of school, their productivity per hour is lower. But the premise of this is with guidance, with very intentional guidance, and with hands-on training for a year-long program, that they can become seven-figure associates in less time than the average associate. So that's the goal.
That's
And
awesome.
now we have all these relationships we've made over the years where we have a lot of owners who are asking us for trained doctors from our program. So now we're just playing matchmaker and we're just matching them up all across the nation with the friends and family we've made across the way.
That's exactly what I was going to say. It sounds like you're a matchmaker, just getting
Yeah.
the perfect, personalities and skill sets together to really help everybody grow as individuals, but also have a much more successful business. So, so those are the benefits, right, to the associate having this opportunity, and then the benefits to the owners. So that's really, really tremendous. So, can you tell me more about the Dental Success Institute as well, and how you teach the business of dentistry?
Yeah, so the Dental Success Institute is run by Dr. Mark Costas. And so I was one of the clients that came on board as this, green behind the ears, brand new practice owner. I didn't know what a P&L versus a balance sheet and the statement of cash flow and all that was.
Mhm.
And I just had to learn it along the way. Me and my wife were both dentists. We were both broke early on. Got over our skis in terms of just kind of commitments and things that we thought were possible. And with that said, I mean, I did a lot of research. I knew my stuff, but at the same time, I needed guidance. So I came on as one of the clients, and I just experienced really, really great growth. And does that mean everyone who joins the program has the same amount of growth? Probably not, but in the right hands, this can be a really, really beneficial program. So after a couple of years, I got invited to be one of the coaches, and I've been coaching with Mark and his program for about 7 years now, I think. And through that process, I've learned a lot about how to help guide different avatars of dentists, whether they're clinically minded, professionally minded, just kind of if they're socially minded, and just really helping them grow their practice in a sustainable way. We don't want them to burn so hot that they burn out, but we want them to experience like, at least exponential growth in what they're trying to achieve. So I come on from a business perspective, and we really help cater the program to help them grow their businesses in a healthy way so then they can really have what we were promised at one point. We came into dental school, we're like, hey, this is the life that we're going to all have. And for some people, that's true. And for some people, that's not true. And what I find along the way with coaching people through the Dental Success Institute is that you tend to see that ratio happen more and more and more just because of the kind of ecosystem and atmosphere we've created over there.
Yeah, through the years, because as you know, I'm also a trainer and a consultant, and my heart really goes out to you doctors because, you going to dental school because you want to do dentistry and you don't get a whole lot of business training there. And so then you're, out there in the real world, you buy a practice, you get in debt, you're trying to run the business, do all that end of it, you're managing your team, hiring and getting that. There's so much that you have to do. So it's so great, that you can help support these doctors. And in the end, what you're doing is like our StellaLife mission. You're improving lives. You're improving the lives of your clients, your doctors, and all those patients that they can help. So thank you so much for letting us know about what you do. I think it's really just fascinating, and congratulations on what you've accomplished. So
Yeah.
thanks for joining us today. And so for everybody out there, thank you for your time, and nice to see you all, and hope to see you again on our next Innovator Series. Thank you again, Dr. Dune.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the opportunity.
It's my pleasure. All right. Bye, everybody.